With the rise of power catamarans over the last decade, cruising has become more accessible to sailors who want to explore coastal areas of both fresh and saltwater lakes, rivers, and oceans. The Leopard 46 Power Catamaran was designed to be the most comfortable catamaran on the market, with its 2 large cabin areas that can sleep up to 9 people and an abundance of storage space in both cabins. This boat will make you feel like you're staying at a luxury hotel while at sea. The Leopard 46 Power Cat brings you all the style, luxury, outdoor living spaces, and home away from home accommodations in comfort. Welcome to this spacious saloon, which is the sum of 3 functional areas: the lounge, the galley, and the newly dedicated galley service station. Design consideration enables the flow of movement from food preparation to drink serving with space of movement and no restrictions. This continues naturally to the lounge area and aft, where we have a new aft cockpit layout focusing on onboard entertainment with a well-proportioned U-shaped settee surrounding a large dining table sized to seat guests comfortably. Easy access to the swim or tender platform and large pontoon steps. The 46 is designed for onboard flow of movement from the saloon to aft and up to the fly bridge. It's practical and functional at anchor and underway. The fly bridge is spacious with sunbed, sun-shaded dining with lots of seating. Entertaining is centered around the barbecue console, including wash basin and prep area and optional cooler. Driving this Power Cat is exhilarating. We have 2 helm stations on the fly bridge and saloon, both equipped with 2 large interactive displays with digital monitoring, switching, and charts. Thrust is provided by 2 Yammer 370 HP engines, and maneuvering is made simple with a port side valve thruster. A non-negotiable in the conceptual design of this catamaran was the placement of thrust in spacious, dedicated engine rooms. This was achieved together with a simple straight-drive engine gearbox installation, resulting in space and consumption, efficiencies, reduced environmental disturbance on board, and ease of access from external deck hatches. The Leopard 46 Power Cat has an expansive flybridge that is covered by a composite molded hardtop, which is essential in hot climates. Accommodations have been enhanced to make you feel at home with new soft furnishings, very comfortable beds, and great use of space. This Power Cat is filled with light. 360-degree views through the new vertical saloon windows allow sharp visibility, and at night recessed LED lighting are mood-enhancing and functional, all resonating at the same hue. Power Cat comes in both a full cabin or 3-cabin option or en suite. We are seeing a 3 or owner's cabin version. The entire starboard hull is dedicated to owner comfort. This owner suite includes a spacious bathroom with double hand basin and an independent shower stall, a large walk-in closet desk and a double vanity, ample clothing space, and a large comfortable double bed with side access. Lots of natural light from view windows and deck flush hatches. On the port side, there are 2 guest cabins with own bathrooms. The forward cabin's bunk is rotated to face direct to sea view, whereas the off cabin is similar to the owner's. Bunks have convenient side access. Bathrooms are roomy. Onboard ambience is modern, elegant, and calming with a tonal range that is pleasing to the eye. Neutral colors allow your style to flourish with soft furnishings. It is built to endure blue ocean challenges in all sea states. Performance designed for ride comfort and efficiency. Spacious with well-thought layout. Generous accommodation with ample storage, energy efficient, and digital management. 4 entertainment areas aft. Cockpit saloon, forward sunned, recliners, flybridge. Leopard 46 Power Cat, the most loved blue water power cruising catamaran, envied by enthusiasts worldwide. A smooth ride, powerful hull, and plenty of space to spread out make this catamaran the perfect vessel to take you and your family on any coastal adventure you want to go on during the summer months. The huge cockpit gives you plenty of space to take in all the sights and sounds of your surroundings. And there's even swim platform for those who want to get their feet wet on those hot summer days. It has a long, sleek design that makes it glide through water with ease. Its spacious interior gives it a luxurious feel, and high freeboard makes it easy to handle in rough seas. The Leopard 46 catamaran from Leopard Catamarans comes in at an impressive 43 feet and can carry a whopping 10,000 pounds of cargo when you need to bring a lot of gear along with you on your offshore adventures. This power cat can seat 9 people comfortably, so if you want to bring along family or friends, this might be the perfect power catamaran for you. And even if you go out alone or with only one other person, the spacious interior will make it easy to enjoy your time on board the Leopard 46 Power Cat. If you're looking to cruise the coast in style, then consider a Leopard 46 Power Catamaran. These boats are sleek, sporty, and can carry up to 9 guests with ease. Plus, they're easy to operate with 2 crew members on board. You'll feel like royalty while cruising through paradise. Whether you're looking for a family yacht or simply dreaming of some cruising, this catamaran will give you everything you need. From its clean, elegant lines to its rugged construction, you'll fall in love with the Leopard 46 from first sight.